Gusto ko maging artista. Gusto ko maging engineer.
Gusto ko maging nurse.
Gusto ko maging architect. Gusto ko maging singer. Gusto ko maging chef.
So we'll be going to Pangulo Elementary School to share out some of the school supplies.
Uniteller stands out because we are deeply committed to the communities we serve.
We hope that this gesture will help relieve the financial burden of the parents.
I'm grateful to have this chance to be able to make difference in their life.
And by providing the supplies, we are helping them take a step closer to their dreams.
Thank you so much and God bless.
It's so fun. It feels great.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po, Uniteller!
More beneficiaries to come po like Pangulo Elementary School.
So, una-una nagpapasalamat ako sa Uniteller kasi hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi magkakaroon ng gamit yung ibang bata na ulang. Kami ay nagpapasalamat sa Uniteller. Yun lang po.